Hi, I'm Dr. Jana Austin with Allison Audiology. Today, we're going to walk you through the Resound Relief Tinnitus app. Now, before we get into the app itself, if you're interested in information regarding tinnitus or hearing loss, be sure to like this video down below. Also, hit the subscribe button down below and the bell to the side. That way you've subscribed to our channel, and then you'll get notifications anytime that we post new information or new content regarding topics that interest you. Now let's get into the app. The first thing you want to do is download the correct app. Make sure that you've downloaded the Resound Relief app. Now when you open your app, we're going to walk you through each of the areas of the app that you'll find beneficial. So when you open it up to the home page, notice you have a number of different sounds that you can start with. Just to be simple, I'm going to start with At the Beach here at the top, and you can hear that there's wave sounds. Now if you want to further customize this sound so that you're not just hearing ocean sounds, you can do so by tapping at the bottom here. And notice now we have a variety of different sound options. We have environmental sounds, music sounds, and therapeutic sounds here at the top. So if you wanted to add birds chirping, you can, and have the waves crashing. Or if you change your mind, then you can turn that off and continue to cycle through the different options. Now, if you've made your own sound mix, you can always change the title here, but in order to save what you have, make sure to hit the check mark. And that way that's going to maintain that particular soundtrack for you. If you want to continue to create your own blends, you certainly can by hitting the plus sign here at the bottom, and that will continue to allow you to make those changes. Now you can also, if you're using this app while you sleep, over here on the left at the bottom, you can click here for your timer. That way you can set a timer so that way your sounds will stop playing at a certain amount of time. And as we continue to go through the app, I'm just going to pause those ocean waves so that we can continue navigating there. And you saw how I just pressed the pause button. So you have a variety of sounds to choose from here. And now let's go ahead and switch gears. We're going to come over to the relax screen here at the bottom. And this is a nice area because in addition to the sound therapy, the Resound Relief app offers different types of additional therapies. Notice we have meditation, we have deep breathing, imagery, and pleasant activities. Now all of these 4 areas are shown to help relieve tinnitus in the sense that it's taking your mind off of the sounds that you're hearing or perceiving. So if you look at the meditation side, this is nice because it's going to walk you through different meditation exercises that you can do, and that's all a guided piece of the app. Now as you come down to deep breathing, again, you've got different breathing exercises that you can do that are guided. And we've got our imagery here that I'm going to select so that you can take a look. This way, as you're thinking of different images, different pictures, you can actually see these, and it helps to stimulate and think of what does this sound make you feel like whenever you're in these particular areas. If you're listening to a babbling brook, how does that make you feel? And hopefully that can help you to find some peace and calm and get some reprieve from the effects of your tinnitus. So let's go back to the main screen here, and then notice too under pleasant activities, in order to get your mind off of hearing your tinnitus and really shift that focus, now we have a list of pleasant activities that you can do, again, to change that focus. Instead of being on your tinnitus, now you have it on your activities. So this is just a small list. Of course, there are things that may appeal to you, others that don't, and that's okay, but at least it gets your mind started on activities that you enjoy. Now as we come back out of here and we look at the bottom for the next area of the app, that's going to be the Learn app. The Learn portion of the app. And again, you can go through these even on your own just to learn a little bit more about tinnitus, how you can help your tinnitus in terms of better sleep, things along that nature, and just continuous information that you can continue to use through your therapy program. Now at the bottom, if you look at the My Relief side of the app here, this is going to give you a breakdown of your usage. So that way you can see how much of the sound therapy you're using, the breathing exercises, guided meditation, imagery, really breaks all of that usage down so that you can see that. This is also where you can continue on and you can actually purchase the Resound program through the app. However, again, for our purposes, we're showing you the complimentary side, so there is no fee to use the features that we're showing you. All right, that's the overview of the Resound Tinnitus app. We hope that you found it helpful, and we hope that you enjoy the app as much as we do. If you have questions about your tinnitus or even our tinnitus relief program, whether you live within the areas of our office or you live somewhere further away, we're always happy to help, and we're happy to talk to you about the program that we have and see if it's right for you. If you enjoyed this video, we would love your feedback and your comments down below, and we look forward to helping you in the future.